Today we're going to take a quick look at this mechanical keyboard brought to you by AUSDOM. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in the box, and then I'll show you how it works and explain a little bit more of the features to you. So first of all, it does come with a keyboard. It comes with a cable. You can connect this directly to your computer or just charge it with this. You can also use this tool to pull the keys off and put these replacement parts in that are also included. Has the user manual and then has this really quick guide to show you what all the functionalities are. So a couple of the key functionalities here and is really going to be the backlight control. So you can dim this, you can bring it up brighter, you can change the different effects, all that kind of stuff. So there's just tons and tons of options to be able to do that. There's quick keys with Windows systems. There's certain keys with Mac system. You can actually control which system you want to use. It's either Mac or Windows. But one of the things I really like about this keyboard is it does have the ability to connect to 3 different devices. So if you see the numbers, now you can see that it doesn't have any labels on the top of the keys, but if you turn it this way, you can see those labels on there so you can see what's going on. So key number 1, 2, and 3, if you hit function and then long press, you're going to start to see this key here on 3 start to flash blue. So you can start seeing that flashing blue, and it's saying, hey, I'm ready to connect with a device. Now, I already have 2 devices connected. I have my computer on number 2, and I have my phone on number 1. So I'm just going to press function, and I'm going to hit the number 1. It's going to light up blue there just to let me know, hey, this definitely connected. And then I'm going to be able to type, and you can see right here on my phone as I'm just hitting keys that it is definitely working that way. So that's one way you can connect it to multiple different devices. You can also connect it with a cable, and then you can also connect it with this little 2.4 gigahertz USB-A dongle that's included. There's where you plug it in, that's where you turn it on, and then as far as the back of it goes, you can flip this up and have a couple different levels of tilt to it or height to it if you want to, but really nice anti-slip grips here on the bottom. So if you're looking for gaming, it's really nice, and you can kind of hear that mechanical keyboard gaming experience. It's very like responsive, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So very tactile, responsive, and overall just super nice. Now you might see a little flicker on the lights here. This is not the keyboard flickering. That is actually my camera settings flickering with the lights. So there you go. This is what it looks like. Very cool, very stylish. So if you're looking for a really nice mechanical keyboard, this might be the one for you.